10th video of this series, JavaScript Simplified from Computing Genie. In this video, we'll be looking into operator precedence and its rules in JavaScript. In the last video, we looked at different and most commonly used operators in JavaScript. If you haven't watched that yet or the videos uploaded earlier in this course, I'll leave a card above and you can check them out. Now that's out of the way, let's now look at operator precedence. You may be familiar with what operator precedence is from math class if you could recall for a bit. One of the rules you may have used would have been bitmass, where it shows the correct order you need to complete an equation. And that's exactly the same rule you would have to implement with your equations in your JavaScript project. So let's now open up Visual Studio Code and take a look at this in practice. Here you can see we have a couple of variables declared, and what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to first remove this equation that is assigned with price, and instead we're just going to give it some new numbers. We'll type in 3 plus 5 times 5. Now, visually speaking, this calculation would give an answer of 40, but this is not the order that JavaScript compiles from. That is more like the image shown earlier, where you had to start off with multiplication first and then move on to your addition. So this will now give us a final answer of 28. So let's now run our code and see what is our output. Once our code is up and running, you can see that we have our expected calculation output. Now, if you ever want to bypass this rule, you can simply add brackets around the values that you'd want to be calculated first. And if you do so and save your file, you can see that the number 40 is displayed in our browser. I'll leave a link to the Mozilla Developer Network down in the description, and you can learn more about the order and rules of operator precedence in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll be looking into what number precedence is in JavaScript. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions regarding the content of the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Computing Genie with bell notifications so you'll never miss out on another tutorial. And that's it for now. I'll see you all on the next one.